America is a divided nation. We argue about politics. We argue about sports. But there is no war bloodier, greasier, or more passionate than the battle for the soul of pizza. In the East, you have the New York slice. It's thin, it's foldable, and it's built for speed. In the Midwest, you have the Chicago deep dish. It's thick, it's heavy, and it requires a fork. For decades, New Yorkers have claimed deep dish isn't even pizza, it's a casserole, while Chicagoans claim New York pizza is just a cheesy cracker. Today, we are ending the debate. We're breaking down the history, the science, and the construction. This is the Great Pizza Civil War. To understand the New York slice, you have to understand the New Yorker. In 1905, Gennaro Lombardi opened the very first pizzeria in America, right here in Manhattan. The logic was simple: feed the workers, and do it fast. The New York slice is an engineering marvel designed for portability. It starts with a high-gluten dough, hand-tossed until it's impossibly thin. It's topped with a simple tomato sauce and grated dry mozzarella. But the secret weapon is the oven. These pies are blasted at nearly 900 degrees in a coal oven. The result? A crust that is crispy on the outside, but chewy enough to fold. And you have to fold it. This isn't a sit-down meal. It's pedestrian fuel. It's greasy, it's salty, and it's gone in 60 seconds. Meanwhile, 800 miles away in the Windy City, something entirely different was baking. It was 1943. And a man named Ike Sewell wanted to change the game. He didn't want a snack for pedestrians. He wanted a hearty meal for families. Enter the deep dish. If New York pizza is a sheet of paper, Chicago pizza is a swimming pool. This is where people get confused. The construction is literally upside down. In Chicago, you line a deep cake pan with dough. Then, you put the cheese directly on the dough. Then comes the meat, usually a solid layer of sausage. And finally, the sauce goes on top. Why? It's simple physics. Because this pie is so thick, it has to bake for 45 minutes. If the cheese was on top, it would burn to a crisp before the dough was cooked. The sauce on top acts as a heat shield, protecting the precious cheese below. So, which one wins? Well, it depends on what you call pizza. Critics of Chicago say that if you need a knife and fork, it's not pizza, it's lasagna with a crust. And they have a point. Deep dish is a sit-down commitment. You don't grab a slice of deep dish on your way to the subway. You eat it, and then you take a nap. But critics of New York say it's flimsy. It's fast food. Deep dish is a culinary event. The truth, they are two different sports. One is a sprint, the other is a marathon. New York is for the hustle. Chicago is for comfort. But I want to know where you stand. Are you team fold or team fork? Do you want the crunch of the apple or the heavy hit of the Windy City? Head down to the comments and defend your city. And if you enjoyed this slice of history, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.